mercy. Do not let me die so often that you could quickly kill me altogether. For you make me live and die mixed together, and thus you double my martyrdom. But half dead, I am your man and servant, and the service is 100 times better than any rich reward from any other. So it would be a sin, love, as you know, if you kill me, since I do not rage against you. But too much service brings harm many times, for one loses one's friend. So I hear said, I have served you, nor have I turned away. And since you know I intend a reward, I have lost you in the service as well. But you, lady, who have command to force love in you, whom I so desire, not for my sake, but for I choosing, and because they grieve my sighs, beg you. For my heart weeps when you see my eyes laugh, the fear that it would seem annoying to you. I deceive myself and bear pain in vain. I did not think your proud body could fix such long desire in mine. But for fear of making one harm into two, I dare not tell you all my suffering. If only your eyes saw my martyrdom, for then you would have mercy, unless the sweet glance that makes mercy appear to me deceived. I wish to show you the pain I feel, and hide it and conceal it from others, for I could never tell you my heart secretly. So if I don't know how to hide myself, who will hide me? And who will be faithful to me? If I betray myself, he who does not know how to hide it is not right, that those for whom it is no profit should hide him. Lady, the true heart I have for you, I cannot fully tell you, but what I leave unsaid through lack of sense, make up for it with good understanding. Says that I am a traitor to him, and then Stemp says that I am deceitful, because I do not tell all my heart to those two.